Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make refreshing orange mint juice. First, gather your ingredients: fresh oranges, a small bunch of mint, an optional sweetener like honey or agave. Make sure your oranges are ripe and juicy for the best flavor. You'll also need a juicer or a blender, plus a sieve to achieve a smooth consistency. This simple recipe is perfect for a sunny day. Now, let's prepare the oranges. Start by washing them well. Next, carefully peel each orange, making sure to remove all the white pith, as this can make your juice taste bitter. Once peeled, cut the oranges into quarters or smaller pieces. This makes them easier to process, whether you're using a juicer or a blender for the next step. With your oranges ready, it's time to add the mint. Wash a small handful of fresh mint leaves. If using a juicer, simply feed the orange pieces and mint through. For a blender, combine the orange pieces, mint, and a splash of water, then blend until completely smooth. Afterward, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any pulp, ensuring a silky smooth juice. Your delicious orange mint juice is now ready to enjoy. Pour it into your favorite glasses. For an extra refreshing touch, add some ice cubes and garnish with a fresh mint sprig. If you prefer a sweeter drink, stir in a teaspoon or two of honey or agave nectar to taste. This vibrant juice is perfect for breakfast or as a delightful pick-me-up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.